Hi, I'm Jen, and welcome to Moving to Lake Wylie. Today, I'm taking you inside the Gentry at Handsmill, an active adult community right here in Lake Wylie. This community is perfect for buyers who want to be close to everything the lake has to offer without leaving town for newer build homes. It's also located in popular Handsmill, which is a great blend community if your grandkids are coming to visit. Handsmill is a gated community right here in Lake Wylie, and today I'm taking you inside one of the most sought-after sections, Gentry at Handsmill. If you've been searching for a place that combines lake access, resort-style amenities, and true low-maintenance living, this is a neighborhood you'll want to know about. Gentry is a 55 and over community tucked inside Handsmill. It is made up of 131 homes total. It's built specifically for buyers who want lake living without the upkeep that usually comes with it. You have a gated entrance for privacy and security, HOA maintained lawn care so you're not spending your weekends mowing and edging, and a lifestyle centered around relaxation, recreation, and community. This is the kind of neighborhood where downsizing doesn't mean giving anything up. If anything, most people find they gain more time and more amenities than they had before. As you drive through Gentry, you'll notice these are true one-level, low-maintenance homes, a mix of ranch and open concept floor plans designed specifically for buyers who want everything on one floor. This section is made up of 131 homes total, so it's an established, tight-knit community rather than a sprawling subdivision. You'll see a real variety of exteriors as you drive through, a mix of brick, stone, and fiber cement accents with different roof lines and porch styles so no two streets feel exactly the same. Lot sizes here run larger than what you would typically find in newer construction communities, many sitting around a quarter acre or more, and a good number of these home sites back up to wooded areas or green space, giving you that peaceful, tucked away feel even though you're just minutes from everything that Lake Wylie has to offer. The streets themselves are quiet with several cul-de-sacs throughout the section, which cuts down on through traffic and gives residents a real sense of privacy. Driveways here tend to be wider too, which is a small detail, but a nice one if you're regularly having guests or family visit. Pricing in Gentry varies quite a bit depending on lot size, upgrades, and floor plan. You'll find homes ranging anywhere from the high 500s up into the 900s, so there's genuinely a home here for a range of budgets, all while still delivering that same low-maintenance, gated resort-style lifestyle. And because the HOA handles lawn maintenance across the community, what you're seeing as you drive through is consistently well-kept curb appeal from one home to the next, something that matters a lot to buyers looking to downsize without downgrading. Residents here have access to the Handsmill Clubhouse, which includes a fitness center, a swimming pool, and a splash pad for those warm summer days. There's also a catering kitchen for hosting events, plus an outdoor fireplace and barbecue area that makes this a natural gathering spot for neighbors year-round. And if you're the social type, Handsmill has numerous clubs for singles and couples, everything from social groups to shared hobbies, so making friends and building a real social calendar here happens pretty naturally. The event center is actually being renovated right now, so there's even more coming for residents to enjoy in the very near future. It's the kind of amenity package that makes this feel less like a neighborhood and more like a true community. If you're liking what you see and you want more information on the Gentry at Handsmill or any other active adult communities near Lake Wylie, make sure that you click the link in the description box below and grab my free Moving to Lake Wylie guide. Or you can go ahead and book a call with me there too, so that we can talk through your options. One of the biggest draws to Handsmill is direct access to Lake Wylie, and residents have 2 private marinas to choose from, depending on what you're bringing with you and how much you're looking to spend. Right here at Gentry, wet slips run $250 to $5 a month, or just under $3,000 a year. A great option if you keep your boat in the water and want quick, easy access whenever you're ready to head out. Over at the South Marina, you've got a few more choices. Wet slips there run a bit higher at $300 a month. If you'd rather store your boat out of the water, there are paved long spots available at $245 a month, or single car spots at $125 a month for something a little bit more compact. And if you're more of a jet ski or kayak person, Handsmill has you covered there too. Jet ski storage spots start at just $50 a month, and kayak storage is as low as $25 a month. Some of the most affordable options in the whole community. There's also a gravel lot option at $100 a month if you just need some extra open space for gear or for a trailer. One of the 2 marinas even includes its own boat launch, so getting your boat in and out of the water is simple, whether you're heading out for a sunset cruise or an early morning on the water before the lake gets busy. So really, no matter what you're bringing to the lake, a pontoon, jet skis, kayaks, or all of the above, there's a spot that fits both your gear and your budget. Beyond Gentry, the greater Handsmill community offers even more variety, different home styles, more amenities, and that same easy access to Lake Wylie throughout the neighborhood. So even if Gentry's 55 and over restriction isn't the right fit for your stage of life, Handsmill as a whole is worth knowing about if lake access and community amenities are high on your list. So let's talk about what $900,000 actually buys you here at Gentry. This is a single-story home on a larger lot on a quiet cul-de-sac with peaceful lake views. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,700 square feet with a 3-car garage. As you step inside, you are greeted by an entrance foyer that flows right into the open concept layout. The kitchen is the heart of this home. Quartz countertops, a custom designer range hood, and a walk-in pantry, all finished with luxury EVP flooring in French oak tones that run consistently throughout the main living areas. Just off the kitchen, you've got a dedicated dining area and a breakfast nook, giving you options depending on whether it's a quick morning coffee or a full sit-down dinner. The great room is where the home really shows its scale. A dramatic floor-to-ceiling stone gas fireplace anchors the space, with a coffered tray ceiling and upgraded designer lighting overhead. The living room extends out even further into a sunroom, which brings in natural light from nearly every angle and creates a seamless flow for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Just off the main living space, there is a flex room that's currently being used as a home office, ideal if you work from home, or equally suited for a hobby room, craft space, or reading room, depending on what fits your lifestyle. Down the hall, the primary bedroom offers a true retreat with a spa-inspired ensuite bathroom featuring a deluxe walk-in shower and a custom-designed luxury closet built for real storage, not just a token walk-in. The 2 secondary bedrooms are generously sized as well, and the secondary bathrooms have been thoughtfully upgraded to match the same level of finish as the rest of the home. This home is also wired for modern living with an expanded Cat 6 data infrastructure, floor outlets, under-cabinet lighting, and full AV pre-wiring already in place. So if you work remotely or just want a smart home setup, that groundwork is already done for you. There's even permanent exterior holiday lighting installed with over 1,000 customizable patterns, so year-round ambiance is as simple as an app. Out back, the fenced yard features an expansive deck overlooking Lake Wylie, the kind of space that's perfect for a slow morning coffee or watching the sunset with a glass of wine in the evening. This particular home comes with over $40,000 in structural upgrades and nearly $200,000 combined in design center and post-closing improvements. So whether you're walking through is a truly elevated version of this floor plan, not the base model. And one more thing worth mentioning. The HOA here is on the lower end for a community with this many amenities, coming in at less than $150 a month, and that covers your lawn maintenance. So you're free to actually enjoy the lake instead of spending your Saturdays on yard work. Now, if $900,000 is outside of your range, Gentry still has options closer to $580,000. Take a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home at 1,744 square feet on an oversized wooded home site that bucks up to trees for extra privacy. It's been beautifully upgraded with LVP flooring, illuminated built-in office cabinetry, a custom accent wall, and epoxy flooring in the garage, and a covered rear porch. So whether you're looking at $580,000 or $900,000, Gentry has a range of homes to fit different budgets while still giving you that same low-maintenance, gated-like lifestyle. Clubhouse, pool, marina access, and a true one-level floor plan, all inside one of Lake Wylie's most established 55 and over communities. If you found this video helpful, be sure that you like and subscribe to my channel so you can find out about everything moving to Lake Wylie. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.